Jatend piny Kenya Laktar William Ruto odiochieng'ni ma kawuono koro to yango ni giseketo girimiti ma bende koro to biro neno ni gitiyo kanyakla kaka pinjego eko mag Afrika koda ka pinyno mar France. Kane oloso e romo makende ma bende okelo kanyakla jotelo mag pinjego mag Afrika kaachiel koda ka ker mar piny France mano migosi Emmanuel Macron, Laktar William Ruto koro to yango ni pinjego mag Afrika gin pinjego man koda ka mwandu modhuro kendo ka gitiyo kanyakla to ginyalo kelo dongruok kama owinjore ne gin giwegi ma ok gikaw ola e pinje maoko.
And insurance assets, and more than $500 billion in central bank reserves. I am not talking about Europe, I'm talking about Africa. Yet, paradoxically, while this capital exists within African economies, governments across our continent continue to struggle to finance critical infrastructure, transport corridors, energy systems, industrial parks, logistics networks, and even affordable housing. There is capital in Africa, but Africa's development projects remain starved of financing. The issue, therefore, is not liquidity. It is risk architecture. That is why Africa is laying the foundation of a stronger, more resilient, and more self-sustaining financial architecture. Kenya, therefore, reaffirms its very strong support for the Alliance of African Multilateral Financial Institutions as a strategic platform for coordinating capital mobilization, risk sharing, and project execution across our continent. You remember, colleagues, that we did endorse at the last AU summit the Alliance of African Multilateral Institutions, starting with the World Bank and all the other institutions. Through institutions such as the Africa Development Bank, Africa Export-Import Bank or Afrexim Bank, Africa Finance Corporation, the Trade and Development Bank, Shelter Afrique Development Bank, Africa 50, and Africa Trade and Investment Development Insurance, Africa is steadily strengthening its capacity to finance infrastructure, industrialization, trade, housing, climate resilience, and economic transformation. These institutions are more than financial intermediaries. They are instruments of African agency, strategic sovereignty, and collective self-determination. Friends, we must believe in ourselves.